All right, you guys, as you can see, the PC is finally here. I am pumped, and not to mention, we actually have a little guest with us. This right here, this is Hank. Back to the PC. We are going to quickly unbox this thing, and actually before we unbox it, I want to let y'all get kind of a view of the box. And yo, they were not gentle with this thing. If we step around, take a look. Honestly, I've seen a lot worse, but this box is tattered. Got some more gouge marks right there. Not to mention the fact that I was reading some reviews online, and a lot of people have said these exact same PCs have showed up with dents, marks, and like gouges in their PCs. So yo, here's hoping for a good one. Let's get to it. All right, move that a little bit. All right, then right here, ooh, got the PC in here. This thing is heavy. All right, first, what's this right here? All right, looks like we got a keyboard. Doesn't look like anything special, but yeah, we'll unbox that first. So yeah, it appears to be a wired keyboard. Nothing special, just plain black, kind of boring. But yeah, we got a keyboard. All right, moving on. We're gonna pull the whole thing out now. All right. I might just have to tip it over. All right, we got some stuff falling. All right, let's see what we got in here. Appears to be some paperwork in here, the power cable. Let's see if we can get a better look. All right, so right here, something gigabytes. All right, so I can get a 4-year product warranty. So may take a look into that, but as of right now, hey, we're cool, and we're gonna leave that alone for now. We got the power cable. Ooh, right here it says if I do 2 reviews, I get 2 Amazon gift cards. So hey, that's dope. Definitely gonna do that. And there's something about a USB key. I'm gonna have to look into this. All right, what else we got in here? And we got the antennas for, I believe, the Wi-Fi. So yeah. Now let's hope this thing doesn't have any dents or anything. All right. The main attraction. All right. So getting that out the way. And sliding this out. So far, so good. Has an interesting scent to it. All right, so this is actually the bottom. I'm gonna flip it on the bottom now. And here we are, inspecting to make sure there's nothing too bad going on. Oh. And we got a lot of stuff in there to, I guess, protect the inner console. Oh no, we do have a scratch. Oh no, it's not a scratch. Just had to peel off the plastic. Okay. More plastic over here. We're looking good, we're looking good. One more thing we forgot to do. Forgot to open up. I think we got the mouse in here. Again, I'm sure there's not going to be anything special, but you know, got to include it in the unboxing. So here is the mouse. actually not bad. Got a few extra functions on it. Pretty cool. I don't know what that's for. I think that's probably waiting or something. But yeah, mouse right here. Not too bad. And yeah, that's it. So now we'll just do a quick look around before we take it into the office and set it up. Just took the big block, keeping everything from moving out of there. Now we're hopefully gonna plug everything up and power it on. Start by removing this. Plugging in the HDMI. Power cable right here. Plug it in and see if anything happens. It is time for the moment of truth. Now that we got this bad boy up and running, now it is time to figure out how to mine some crypto with it. Just wanted to get on here and kind of update y'all with everything that I have gone through with this PC so far. So after I opened, unboxed, and kind of powered on the PC, it hasn't fully been smooth sailing. So really just want to kind of give y'all a current update on the state of things. Basically, when I got the computer, it wouldn't boot up. It would turn on and it would show like the manufacturer screen. It wouldn't boot Windows 10. And then after that, when I finally did get it running, it would just kind of restart. So I never really got to do what we got it for. So in a moment, I'm actually about to drop the PC off at the Geek Squad. And on top of that, I also purchased 2 more PCs just in case, because I bought this one and it wasn't booting up correctly. I bought one for my friend. The side was completely shattered. So I kind of bought 2 more just to kind of increase my odds of getting a good one, should this visit to the Geek Squad not work out. So haven't quite got our mining rig up and running, but it's on the way. One thing that's always kind of like helped me through things is keeping my expectations low and my hopes high. By no way, shape, or form do I mean that in a way where, everything's going to suck, everything's going to be bad, but just keeping my expectations low has really kept me from being disappointed. And I would say in this situation, almost as if my expectations were not low enough, because, I thought we would at least get to run. I thought the imperfections with this would be more cosmetic than they were actually, internal. So yeah, I will keep y'all updated. Stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see what's next, hey, make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you absolutely destroy the like button. And if you have any questions, comments, or again, any suggestions or anything of content you want to see, hey, be sure to leave it down in the comments. I will be getting back to each and every one of you. But again, thank you so much for watching, and peace.